Hi, Jacob. We've been working on different parts and patterns on the phonics wall, and I'm going to say a pattern, and I want to see if you can find it quickly for me, okay? All right, find me the super silent E patterns.
A consonant, E consonant, I consonant, O consonant, U consonant.
Very good. Okay, show me the pattern that says R.
A-R, car, R.
And what kind of pattern is that?
R control vowels.
R control back. Very good. How about bool? Can you show me bool?
B-L, block, B, 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 B,
Okay, and those are called what? A BL is a what?
blend.
A blend. Okay, show me the OI patterns. What are the OI patterns?
O-I, O-Y, boy, oi, oi. O-I, koi, oi.
Okay, and those are called what?
The special vowel team patterns.
Very good. Now show me the pattern that says ch. Which one says ch?
C-H, chin, ch, ch. T-C-H, catch, ch, ch.
Okay, good job. Hi, Jacob.
Hi.
We've been practicing a lot of different parts and patterns on the phonics wall, and right now we're going to practice writing the pattern that I say, okay? So I'm going to say a pattern, and you write it as quickly as you can. Write down the super silent E patterns. Good job. Okay, write down the pattern that says bool. What's bool? Tell me the cue. Okay, you don't have to tap it. You just tell me what it is. Write down the R pattern. What pattern it says R?
R, A-R, car, R, R. A-R, A-R, car, R.
All right, write down the two OI patterns.
O, O-Y, boy, oi, O, O-I, koi, oi.
Okay, write down the ch patterns.
C-H, chin, ch, ch. T, T-C-H, catch, ch.
Good job, buddy.